This is the reason why I have seen denied claims get paid in full, because the policy says to mitigate. It is possible, bro, that you can mitigate, it gets denied, and they still pay for it. Why? Because you don't know that it's a denial until you do some investigation, and the policy tells them to go. I'm just telling you, I've seen it happen on my own claims. But you don't need approval, you need to get started. And don't report it as sewage, it's a water deal. And don't play Inspector Gadget. You're not there to be Inspector Gadget. You're gonna go out there and you're gonna mitigate, and you're gonna get it covered, and you're gonna be fine. Do your job, mitigate it. Hey, if you would like for me to help you grow your company, go to workwithshane.com, put in your information, book a 15-minute free call. We'll see you there.